Motorcycle storage, the ultimate underground solution. The creator of this groundbreaking motorcycle storage system faced two crucial challenges. Firstly, they needed a secure space for their motorcycle, and secondly, they wanted to keep it out of reach from curious kids. The result? A sleek system that snugly houses the bike under the porch, smoothly rising from a 2-meter depth when needed. The key element is a robust hydraulic scissor lift with a 2.7-ton capacity. Impressive built-in lighting adds to the overall quality, showcasing the creator's serious skills in crafting this home design solution.